In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the most exciting developments that we can expect to see in the next decade. From AI to 5G, these are the technologies that will shape our world in the years to come. AI is already changing the way we live and work, but the next decade will see even more advancements in this field. We can expect to see AI being used in more industries, from healthcare to transportation. With the help of AI, doctors will be able to diagnose diseases faster and more accurately, and self-driving cars will become a reality on our roads. 5G is the next generation of mobile networks, and it's set to revolutionize the way we connect. With faster download and upload speeds, 5G will make it possible for more devices to be connected at the same time, and it will also make it possible for new technologies like AR and VR to be used on mobile devices. Quantum computing is a technology that is still in its early stages, but it has the potential to change the way we process information. With the help of quantum computing, we will be able to solve problems that are currently impossible to solve with traditional computers. Blockchain is a technology that has already made waves in the world of finance, but it has the potential to be used in many other industries as well. From supply chain management to voting systems, the transparency and security offered by blockchain technology will change the way we conduct business. These are just a few examples of the technologies that will shape our world in the next decade. The future is exciting and full of possibilities. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest advancements in technology and what the future holds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on what technology you are most excited to see in the future.